Okay, so welcome everyone to the channel. My name is Shreya Gupta and I am back again with the new video of resources and strategy that how you can prepare for Wipro. As you all know that soon you will be having a Wipro assessment test that is for the phase 2 hiring, and you must be waiting for a video that how you can prepare and how you can start your preparation. So I am back here again. So in this video I will be sharing with you all that how you can start your preparation, what are the syllabus, how you can start your preparation, and what are the syllabus and test patterns, what are the resources and strategy, and how you can crack your exam in your first attempt. So these are the things which we are going to discuss in our today's video. So without further delay, let's start with the video. So we will be going with this flow. First we will be giving a introduction and how you can start your preparation, what are the syllabus and the resources and the strategy. So the Wipro will conduct the exam in the 3 phases. First you will be having your online assessment, and then you will be having a technical interview, and then you will be having your HR interview. So in this online assessment you will have these 3 sections. First will be of aptitude sections, and you will be having your logical ability, quantitative ability, verbal ability, and the total duration for this will be of 48 minutes. The second section will be of written communication test, that is English essay writing, and this will be of a total timing of 20 minutes. And the third thing will be of online programming test of 2 questions. You will get any 2 questions to solve, so I guess 30 minutes per question. So total time you will be having a 60 minutes. So this is what is the pattern of, this is the pattern of the online assessment test: aptitude, written English communication test, and online programming test. So they are going to test you on all these 3 aspects. So next thing is like what are the questions and the number of questions and what are the time duration you will get to solve the question. See, in verbal ability there are 3 sections in an aptitude, that are verbal ability, logical reasoning, and quantitative aptitude. So you will be having a total question of 22. And you will have only 18 minutes to solve. So it's you will not get 1 minute to solve one question also. So you have to manage the time. And how you can manage it, if you know some of the questions properly, start with that first, and then you can continue with the questions that you don't know. You can continue it with the later on, so that you can invest the time that you save in the question which you know. You can invest that time in the question which you don't know. So you can solve it like that. And in logical reasoning you will be having 14 questions and you will have 14 minutes. Quantitative you will have 16 questions and 16 minutes. You will get 1 essay and you will have 20 minutes to write it. You will be getting 2 coding questions and you will have 60 minutes. So you can also take a screenshot of this so that you can keep it for a future while you preparation. You will have a proper idea that what are the number of questions and what are the durations. Okay, so this is the complete exam pattern for the Wipro assessment. So now from what are the topics that you should know, you should prepare for quantitative aptitude and verbal ability. So see, we have something like these are the topics which are very common, like HCF and LCM, divisibility rule, and fractions and power cycle and reminder cycle. See, at least if it's not possible for you all to cover few topics, but at least try to cover 60 to 70% of the topics from this section. Like some of the important topics like time and work, the question will definitely come from this. Time, speed and distance, ratio and proportion, ages, profit and loss. And these are the things, these are the topics which are, I guess, very important, and you should have a pipes and citrons. So these some of the topics in which questions are definitely going to come, and soon we will be uploading some of the videos for your preparation for aptitude, so you can refer to that as well. So these are the topics that you should know if before going to exam for the quantitative aptitude. Practice as much as question. In few minutes we will be sharing some of the resources from where you can prepare for these things. So, okay, so in verbal ability, what are the things they can ask? Like they can ask for, suppose they are giving you a set of statement and you have to find the error. So, in which part of a sentence you are facing an error, so you have to find that. So, you can error spotting type of questions. You can improve the sentences also, and you can have a sentence completion also. You have to complete the sentences. So, these are the things that they can ask in verbal ability. To answer these three questions, one must you should know these things. See, these are very important: active and passive, direct to indirect. These are the things which you have learned in your in school time also. You just have to revise the things, so that these are the topics that you just go and revise. See, like this active and passive thing, you all must have, like this active and passive, you all must have read in the school time, this direct and indirect tenses. So these are the things like preposition, so article, preposition, and these are the things which you have already learned in your school time. So I think you should go and revise it, and it will not take much time. I think 1 hour is sufficient. So you can invest that in for the preparation of the verbal ability. And for your help, we will be uploading video for verbal ability section also. And I think some of the videos are already there, so you can refer to it in our channel. So okay, Geeks for Geeks is coming up with this winter training that has live batches where you will get to learn some of the most requested courses and skills. Make the most of this winters and learn the skills that will help you to get an edge over your peers. So from 25th December 2021, they have several live batches starting that will help you to ace your game. So they have Java backend development, machine learning foundation with Python, Android app development with Kotlin, competitive programming, full stack development with React and Node.js. So let's go and explore these things and see like from where you can learn these things. So this is the section of competitive programming, a live weekend classroom program designed for people who wish to excel in competitive programming and SD interviews. These live courses will help you to enhance your problem solving skills one code at a time. So you can register here in this link. We will be providing you link in the description below. So this is the course overview, and what you will get to learn about the important concepts of data structures and algorithm, how you can improve your problem solving and coding skills, various useful techniques for competitive programming, and efficient implementation of mathematical algorithm. So what are the other benefits with this live courses? You will get some of your weekly assessment tests, access to the Geeks for Geeks portal, track-based learning where you can track that what are the things that you have learned, and you will also get a course completion certificate and resume building. So these are the course content, like what are the things you are going to learn like in week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 and week 5. You can also download the detailed syllabus so that you can get a proper overview of the course, and I think this is something very interesting and fascinating, and you should definitely go and register yourself. Okay, so this was about competitive programming. They have something more, like they have Android development. So it is best suited for both the students as well as working professional. So if you are someone who wants to strengthen your skills in field of computer science, then these live batches are for you all. And I think I have told about all the courses, and I think this is the best thing you can utilize your winter very nicely. And if you are someone who want to register yourself, we have a Google form. You can just go and give your email ID, name and your contact number and the program in which you are interested. You can just go and submit this Google form. We will be providing the link of every courses as well as this Google form in the description below. So don't miss this opportunity to strengthen your skills from one of the most renowned platform in the industry. So for more details and registration, you can go out and fill the Google link which is mentioned in the description, and someone from their team will soon get in touch with you. So don't forget, these classes are going to start from 25th of December to 30th December, and these are the live batches, and they have made it because these things are the most requested and demanding skill. So I hope you all will register and you all will not miss this chance. And so go and register yourself and fill out the Google form. Okay, so now vocabulary. So the question type have been like word-based vocabulary and contextual. So one must master the following areas to answer vocabulary questions. So in order to answer some word-based and contextual section, you should have like a good knowledge of synonyms, antonyms, analogy, idioms and phrases. Okay, so these are the things that you should have a good knowledge about it. If you want to if you have to attempt, anyhow you have to attempt these questions, so you should have a good knowledge over these topics. Okay, so for reasoning, you can you can get some of the question, like you will be provided with the passage and you will have some questions related to this passage. So you should have a proper understanding of this passage, and you can also get some of the para-jumbles words in your assessment. So these things were all about the verbal ability. Okay, so now we have logical reasoning. See, these are some of the very important topics like coding and decoding, reasoning, data sufficiency, data interpretation, so blood relation. I think not only Wipro, I think if in any of the company, if you sit and you are having your aptitude test, so these topics are very much important for you all to prepare. So prepare well, because not only for Wipro, suppose if other company also come for their aptitude test, I think you can ace in that. So it's better you should prepare it from now only. See, these are some of the very important topics. Soon we will be providing you topic wise video in the aptitude section. So these are the topics. Take a screenshot and keep it and start preparation for it. Okay, so in coding language, as I have already told, that there will be total two coding questions, and you will be having 60 minutes to solve two coding question. So you will have an option to solve either in C, C++, Java or Python. You should be good in any one of the language. Either you should be good in Java or Python or C or C++. See, what are the importance? See, the question can be of an easy and a medium level. Maybe one question they will give very easy and one question of medium level. They will not give you something of a very high level question. So these are the important topics like array, string, decision making, loops and function. Okay, so be clear with these topic concepts for these topics. Like I think in array they will definitely give you one questions, and so these are the topics that you should be very good within, and we will be helping you with this also. We will be soon uploading some of the questions from previous years, and that will help you to get a kind of an idea that what type of questions comes and what type of coding questions. But yes, anyhow you should have a proper you should be good with your concepts. You should have a proper understanding that how things works in array, how loop works, how you can write a function and everything. So I think you can do it. So okay, so now we will be dealing with from where you can prepare. Okay, so you must have heard about India Geeks website. This is a very famous website for aptitude question. You will get the questions from each topic, whatever topic we have shown you in before few minutes. You will get questions from each topic, and every type of question, every possible type of questions you can cover it. So you can refer to India Geeks website. You can also refer to javat.point.com. See, these are the links. You can refer to these links for preparation for your numerical ability. And for reasoning ability, you can also refer to topper.com, India Geeks and Java T-Point. Go through this website, explore this website, and I think these things will help you a lot. So, and for verbal ability also, I think India Geeks is for I think everything like aptitude thing. You will get a proper understanding in India Geeks, and they have so many questions. So if you will practice the questions, then I think you can easily do it. So you have Java T-Point also a website. I have already told it. You can refer to these two websites. These are very famous, and refer to this question. See, I have also qualified for the Wipro this year only, and I have practiced through these website only. So you can refer to this, and I have already told you like what are the topics that I have practiced, what are the topics like from where I have practiced. So I think this can give you a proper understanding. Okay, so these are some YouTube channels, like you will have your coding section, and if you are not aware about the basic concepts, then you can refer to Saurabh Shukla sir YouTube channel also, and Java Tea Point website also. There they have taught the language from very scratch, and you can easily understand the concepts, that how things works and how things go. For C++, you can refer to Saurabh sir channel and Java Tea Point, and for Java you can refer to Code with Harry sir and Niso Academy or Java Tea Point website. And for Python, you can refer to W3 School website and Amul Academy. So it depends upon you, that whichever language you are good with and you are comfortable with, try to solve the questions in that language only. I have shared all the resources, like from where you can learn what are the things. So how you can crack your exam in your first attempt. These are the questions that are basically students ask, and they have a queries like how to practice coding. Okay, so how to practice coding, if you are a person who already know the basic, then you can start solving it from either of the website. Like you can filter the questions and you can start solving it from Geeks for Geeks, or you can start solving it from HackerRank. That will give you a kind of like how questions come and how you deal with the question. So this is the best way that you can brush up your knowledge in the coding. Platform for practice coding, I have already told, it's Geeks for Geeks, HackerRank, Hacker Earth. So if you are a beginner, start solving from HackerRank. If you want it's more questions, then start from Geeks for Geeks. You will get a lot of questions. You can filter it according to the company wise also and level wise also. And for aptitude practice, I have already told you, you can refer to India Geeks website, Java Tea Point. There you will get n number of aptitude questions from each topic. So you can go there and you can prepare for it. And essay practice, completely depends upon you. Try reading some of the articles, try reading some of the books. I think this is the only way how you can write a good essay. Start with the proper while you write an essay, start with a proper introduction. That is the main part of an essay. Then the middle part of an essay where you deal with the topic, and then a proper conclusion. So write an essay in these 3 phases. And for technical and HR interview practice, soon we will be telling you, but in Java Tea Point you will get some of the important asked question in an interview. Like either they can ask you, they will ask you like which language you are comfortable. Suppose you say that you are comfortable with Python, or you say you are comfortable with Java. Then in Java Tea Point they have some of the interview questions that are mentioned. So you can see that. Be clear with your concepts. You don't have to learn it. You have to be clear with the concepts. And I think you can explain to the interviewer and try to have a good communication skill with your interview, because that is the very basic and a plus point for you all. So first of all, be well with your communication skills. And HR interview practice, you should know that how you introduce yourself. You should know about your personality. If they ask something like what are your strengths, what are your weakness, and something related to their work environment. So these are the questions that basically HR ask during an interview. But first of all, try to clear your assessment. I have already told that what are the syllabus, what is the test pattern, what is the source, and what is the strategy, that how you can prepare. And I have explained everything in this video, and keep a screenshot of everything, so that when you prepare you have you have to read these things. So if you have any queries regarding to Wipro exam, you can DM us on our comment section. We are regularly working on our content, so all queries will be answered. And thanks for watching our video. Like, share and subscribe. Still you are having any queries, we have already mentioned our Instagram ID. You can message us. We will surely reply to you all. So thank you everyone, and all the best. And if you have any queries, you can refer to us on Instagram, and I'll also be replying to you all. So thank you.